Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. I have so many necklace sets to work on. I didn't want to make a full video, so I'm just showing what this necklace looks like using some of the hand painted beads. So we have the gold marble, and then I also have some turquoise with blue marble. And I went ahead and made some 20 millimeter earrings to go with this. Added one of the turquoise howlet beads and one of those boho beads to the set. And the pendant, I just wanted to do something just like really freaky, something just really different, something just kind of really off the wall. And I think I hit the mark with this one. I really like the way it looks. And there's also some on my Etsy shop if you're interested in them. So we have some here. And this is what it looks like on a necklace. I really like this. I think I'm going to make a couple more of these. And then I'll add the sets to the collection for May and June. So I really like this 20 millimeter beads, howlet turquoise, and then we have some coconut beads, of course. You know, I like those. That 18 gauge wire, and then these pendants are available in the Etsy shop. They're really boho-ish. I really and that's what I was going for because I did make some boho bracelets using fabric and wire and beads and all that good stuff. And then I was like, I wonder what they would look like if I use wire, just to kind of give it a boho-ish type of look. And you can use any type of cord, to string this on to give it a real boho-ish or classic or whatever type of look you want to give it. But these are those, and I really like it. I'm going to do a couple more of these. And Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK. Oh my God, I don't remember her name, but she just left a comment saying that, and I apologize, I didn't get your name. You were saying that you enjoy the channel, and I think you said you enjoy the channel and you learn from the channel every time you watch or something like such. And if I got the comment mixed up, I apologize. But I do remember you saying something about you enjoy the channel. And a lot of people say that, and I appreciate that. I really do appreciate you letting me know that, hey, Darlene, what you're putting up, I enjoy the content. I learn from the content, and I do hear that a lot too. That people say they're learning different things from the content that I put up, and that's a whole objective. It's not to sit here and act like I know everything because I don't. I know a little bit, but I don't know everything. And I'm learning every single day too. And as I learn some new things, I try to share them here because if we are all trying to do the same thing, and that's making a small business out of what it is that we do, it only makes sense. And my whole thing has always been whatever is for you, right? If you don't put the work in, you don't get nothing out of it. If you put the work in, you will definitely get something up out of it. So no matter who's making what, we could use the same beads all day long. Either way, your design is not going to look like mine, and mine is not going to look like yours, nor is it going to look like the two ladies that live down the street and up the hill from you either. That's just the reality of it because our minds work differently. Our creative talents are different. God didn't make us all the same. And I say that all the time. If you make jewelry, make jewelry. Don't be afraid to use the same beads that somebody else used. Use the same wire. It don't even make it. Don't, it make never made sense to me. And we could all sit in a room together and use the same exact beads, the same exact pendant, the same exact everything, right? And we might all be making this necklace right here. And I guarantee you it will come out different with every last one of us because we're all different. Our personalities are different. Our minds work differently. And that's just the reality of it. So I say make as much jewelry as you want to make. Find avenues to sell that jewelry, and just put the work in. You put the work in, and I guarantee you'll get something up out of it. You definitely will. But anyway, wanted to stop by, so I'm getting ready to make a couple more necklaces. And thanks for stopping by.